Alrighty, senseis, this is the Mcreator part of our Friday lesson. This one will go with the clock. So, what we're going to be making today is going to be a nuke. But, what we do have to do each time we start Mcreator is you must always introduce the kids to Mcreator because it could be a new kid every time. So, I will run you through the basics again. So, in order to create items, we have to have textures. So, on this side ribbon, you're going to go to Resources, Create New Texture, and you will create a text, whatever texture you want, depending on the week's lesson. This week is a block. It doesn't. It honestly could be anything the kids want. It'll probably be multiple different blocks, but we're going to do a nuke. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want my nuke to be a... We're going to make it a poison bottle. And then I color it. Yes, it looks beautiful. Magnificent. Cool. There's my nuke. Now, what we are going to do is once your kids are done with their textures, you want to make sure they save as new texture, and then according to the week's item, you will choose whether it's a block, item, or other. In this case, it's a block because a nuke is a block. At a later date, we will go over projectiles where we can make it a throwable nuke. But for now, we're just going to stick with a block that will light up and blow up with TNT. So we are going to enter the name of texture. I'm just going to call it nuke, because why not? Okay, we have it. So now it appears, and then boom, there's my nuke. Now, the first thing I'm going to want to do is go back to mod elements, and we're going to hit the green plus. We're going to create us a new block. So, they should be all in alphabetical order, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. So we're going to click block. I'll name it nuke. Boom, beautiful. I'm going to click the left overlay because that's easier to get them all in faster. We're going to go to properties. You can call it whatever you want. I want it to be like a redstone block, a redstone type block. I want the block material to be like a, we'll make it like a cakey, or no, we'll just make it a TNT style block. And now you can do whatever you want. If you want it to make you jump really high, go for it. Change the numbers. And yeah, so you'll just let the kids go through, have some fun with these properties, and we will call it good on this side of it. So when we go to it is triggers. This is the next part. I will go slower for this part. This is a very important block or part. So you want the kids to find the redstone on. The redstone on, you're gonna click the green plus and then just hit create. And we will come up with a procedure like this. So, for some blocks we would do like, we would find like a say, player wakes up or one of these special additional triggers, but because it's already set in, it's kind of like a smart object, it's already set for when redstone is near the TNT. So because of that, all we are going to have to do is we want to go to player procedures, or actually it's going to be world data or world management. I have to double check. Yeah, it's going to be world management. It'll be explode at XYZ. This is a fun one. So with power, I think power 50 is the max. I think it was 100. No matter what number the kids pick, it'll default it to the max, which is either 50 or 100. It doesn't matter. It'll be the same explosion every time. But then if you wanted to, you could do like a what could we do with this? We could also do strike lightning at XYZ, effect only, no. And then we could do like a special lightning thing when this happens. So, now all you're going to do is hit save mod element, and this is indeed a short lesson, okay? But you are going to like encourage kids to make multiple things, and you yourself play with the modding on each of these and help them do that, you know? What we just want to do is the nuke for today. There is going to be more advanced stuff soon. But for now, this is what we are going to rock with. But again, play with whatever you want. There's custom variables. There is so many fun things you could do. Like you could literally make the TNT drop diamonds if you wanted. It is up to you. And then if you wanted to do the diamonds, you'd grab spawn item gem, pick the item that you want, I want some freaking soul lanterns, dude. Yes, please. Pickup delay 0. We don't care about that. Despawn, no, of course not. All right, and then there you go. That will make you a beautiful thing. We will see if my Mcreator wants to launch up today, so I can show you what it should look like. If it doesn't, oh, holy crap, it's launching. What the freak? No way. It's doing it? No, it's not. Never mind. You hate to see it. So, with that being said, it should work because it's a redstone on, and that is basically a boolean in code if you wanted to explain that to kids. It's really just a if true then statement. So yeah, it is up to you. Have fun with this lesson. You literally just get to blow stuff up. So yeah, and I will see you all in the next lesson.